Hi, this is Vinny again, your electronicadventure.com remote control guy with another viral video for you. Today I'll be talking about the Samsung AH59-02414A remote control for home theater series HTE 450 and HTE 550. The remote comes with the following buttons: DVD, TV, sleep, Disk menu, home, title menu, tools, dimmer, tuner memory, and USB record. ElectronicAdventure.com has over 300,000 remotes in stock and sells only new remotes, never refurbished, and has been in business since 1987. We carry remotes for most brands of TVs, VCRs, DVDs, Blu-rays, combo units, home theaters, stereos, as well as air conditioning units. All our remotes come with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Check us out at electronicadventure.com. And don't forget to use the coupon code REMOTE5 during checkout to save $5 on this remote. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this